Time's nearly up. See how many more baskets you can get. Good going. Let's see how you did. This basket is 10 points. And you scored 4 baskets here. This basket is 1 point. And you scored 13 baskets here. So, you scored 4 10s and 13 1s. How many points did you score altogether?
Click here to see the number of points scored altogether. 4 10s and 13 1s is 53.
53. Good idea. We can use blocks to see more clearly why 4 10s and 13 1s is the number 53. We can let one block show 1 and one group of 10 blocks show 1 10.
Drag blocks into each place to show 4 10s and 13 1s. When you're done, click OK. That's it. These blocks show 4 10s and 13 1s.
But wait a minute. 13 is greater than 10.
How many 10s and how many 1s are in 13 1s? Drag your answer here, then click OK. That's it. There is 1 10 and 3 1s in 13 1s.
13 is 10 and 3 more. Since there is 1 10 in 13 1s, we can move these 10 1s to the tens place.
Drag this group of 10 1s into the tens place. Ten 1s is 1 10. Now click on the tens place. There are now 5 10s in the tens place, so the value in the tens place is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Click on the ones place. There are 3 1s in the ones place, so the value in the ones place is 3.
Hey, this number is the sum of the values in each place. 50 plus 3 is the number 53.
Click on this sum. When we write a number as the sum of the values in each place, we have the expanded form of the number.
So, the expanded form of the number 53 is the value in the tens place, 50, plus the value in the ones place, 3.
Click on these arrows to change the value in the tens place. And click on these arrows to change the value in the ones place. Watch how the number and the expanded form of the number change.
Hey, you're doing well. You scored 15 baskets that are 1 point each, 9 baskets that are 10 points each, and 2 baskets that are 100 points each. Uh-oh, it looks like the machine is broken. It's not showing the number of points you scored altogether. 2 hundreds, 9 tens, and 15 ones. Yeah, let's use blocks. We can use hundreds, tens, and ones to see how many points this is altogether.
Drag blocks to show the number of hundreds, tens, and ones in each place. When you're done, click OK. That's it. These blocks show 2 hundreds, 9 tens, and 15 ones.
There are more than 10 ones in the ones place. So we can group these 15 ones into 1 10 and 5 ones.
Drag this group of 10 ones into the tens place.
Okay, now there are 2 hundreds in this place, 10 tens in this place, and 5 ones in this place. Isn't there another way of showing 10 tens?
What is 10 tens? Drag a number here, then click OK. That's it. 10 tens is 100.
10 tens is 100. So we can group these 10 tens to make 100.
Drag this group of 10 tens into the hundreds place.
Now there are 3 hundreds in this place, 0 tens in this place, and 5 ones in this place. Now that we've made the greatest number of hundreds that we can, let's write this number by finding the sum of the values in each place.
What is the sum of the values in each of these places? Click on your answer, then click OK. That's it. The sum of the values in each of these places is 300 plus 0 plus 5.
The digit 3 in the hundreds place tells us that we have 3 hundreds, or 300. The digit 0 in the tens place tells us that we have 0 tens, or 0. And the digit 5 in the ones place tells us that we have 5 ones, or 5. 300 plus 0 plus 5. This is the expanded form of the number we're looking for. But how do we write this number?
Click on 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5.
So we can write this sum as 300 plus 5. 300 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more is 305. So you scored 305 points altogether. And this is the same as the score you started out with. 2 hundreds, 9 tens, and 15 ones.
Click on these arrows to change the value in the hundreds place. Click on these arrows to change the value in the tens place. And click on these arrows to change the value in the ones place. Watch how the number and the expanded form of the number change. Well done! You've completed this lesson. Click here to go to the practice area, or click here to return to the menu.
These blocks show the number of jelly beans in this jar.
How many jelly beans are in the jar? Drag the number here, and when you're done, click OK. That's not the number of jelly beans in the jar. Try again. That's right. There are 29 jelly beans in the jar.
These blocks show 1 10 and 19 ones. 19 ones is equal to 1 10 and 9 ones. So we can move these 10 ones to the tens place to make one more 10. 2 tens is 10, 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more is 29. So there are 29 jelly beans in the jar.
These blocks show the number of donuts in these boxes. How many donuts are there? Click on the number, and when you're done, click OK. That's it. There are 92 donuts.
These blocks show 8 tens and 12 ones. 12 ones is equal to 1 10 and 2 ones. So we can move these 10 ones to the tens place to make one more 10. 9 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 1, 2 more is 92. These blocks show the number 92. So there are 92 donuts.
There are 78 newspapers in this stack. What is the expanded form of the number 78? Click on your answer, and when you're done, click OK. That's it. This is the expanded form of the number 78.
78 is made up of 7 tens and 8 ones. To write 78 in expanded form, we need to write it as the sum of the values in each place. The value of the tens place is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. The value of the ones place is 8. The sum of the values in each place is 70 plus 8. So 70 plus 8 is the expanded form of this number.
These blocks show the number of eggs in these trays. How many eggs are there altogether? Click on the number, and when you're done, click OK. That's it. There are 403 eggs altogether.
These blocks show 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and 13 ones. 13 is equal to 1 10 and 3 ones. So we can move these 10 ones to the tens place to make one more 10. 10 tens is 100. So we can move these 10 tens to the hundreds place, giving us 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 3 ones is 403. These blocks show the number 403.
These blocks show the number of chickens a farmer has. How many chickens are there altogether? Click on the number, and when you're done, click OK. That's it. There are 158 chickens altogether.
These blocks show 100, 4 tens, and 18 ones. 18 ones is equal to 1 10 and 8 ones. So we can move these 10 ones into the tens place, giving us 5 tens. Now there is 100, 5 tens, and 8 ones. The value of the hundreds place is 100. The value of the tens place is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the value of the ones place is 8. 50 and 8 more is 58. And 158 more is 158. These blocks show the number 158.
There are 229 paintbrushes in these jars. What is the expanded form of the number 229? Click on your answer, and when you're done, click OK. That's right. This is the expanded form of the number 229.
229 is made up of 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 9 ones. To write 229 in expanded form, we need to write it as the sum of the values in each place. The value of the hundreds place is 200. The value of the tens place is 20. And the value of the ones place is 9. The sum of the values in each place is 200 plus 20 plus 9. So 200 plus 20 plus 9 is the expanded form of this number.
Good work! You've completed these practice questions. Click here to go to the workout, or click here to return to the menu.
Ah, you're using those blocks to weigh the tortoise. So, how many blocks have you used to balance the scale?
Click on the blocks to see how many there are. 100, 12 tens, and 2 ones.
100, 12 tens, and 2 ones. What number is that?
What number is 100, 12 tens, and 2 ones? Drag a number here, then click OK. That's it. The number 222 is 100, 12 tens, and 2 ones.
Let's take a closer look at these blocks. There are 12 tens in the tens place, and 12 is greater than 10. So, you can group some of these tens into hundreds.
How many hundreds and how many tens are in 12 tens? Drag your answer here, then click OK. That's right. There is 100 and there are 2 tens in 12 tens.
Since 12 tens is 100 and 2 tens, you can group these 10 tens together to make 100. Moving these blocks into the hundreds place, you now have 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones. Now, to find the number that is 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones, look at the value of each place.
Click on the digits in each place. Two hundreds is 200. 2 tens is 20. 2 ones is 2.
These are the values in each place of the number you're asked to find.
Click on these values. When we write a number as the sum of the values in each place, we have the expanded form of the number.
So the sum of these values is the number you're looking for. 20 and 2 more is 22. 222 is 222. So these blocks show the number 222. Let's put the blocks back on the scale.
Click on the blocks. 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 2 ones is 222.
So you need 222 blocks to balance the tortoise.
Good job! You've completed this workout. Click here to go to the next lesson, or click here to return to the menu.